Hi, this is a short video of my Nova kit car, currently undergoing restoration. As you can see, the body is hanging from the garage roof at the moment. All the work is concentrating on the chassis. That's a welder, Sealy welder, brilliant. Oh, somebody's come to see us. Hi Brody. Looking forward to seeing the car finished. Chassis is all new apart from the central tunnel and the top of the frame head. I've dropped the floor pans. Get a wee look at my welding there. Just ready to paint. That's the engine over there, 1776 big bore kit. It turns over but hasn't fired up for a long time. Last on the road in 1991. That's the transaxle there. Hopefully it'll be okay. Front beam and front suspension there. Most of that's going to be new. I've got a new front beam. The roof of the car is currently there, hanging from the roof of the garage as well. Biggest problem has been cramped space in here, as you can probably see. I've hit my head a few times in the underside of the car. But anyway, things are going well, and looking forward to actually getting her on the road before I get too old. That's the rear of the car, to give you an idea of the colour. Really nice shade of blue. Chassis again. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and I'll post another one sometime soon.